If you want to use QuickShare in order to transfer files on the Xiaomi 17, then it is fairly simple. Usually, QuickShare is accessible once you try to share something with someone. So let's say if I go to Gallery and if I have a picture, a photo, whatever it is, that I want to share with someone, I can select that file and of course I can use the send option. Now, in here, we should be able to find the quick share option. As you can see here, I have it immediately. And if I tap on it, I will be immediately redirected to the quick share app where I can start searching for nearby devices. So this is definitely a convenient way to try to transfer files, simply because all files that we want to transfer are already selected. There is also a way to access this menu without selected files. You can also clear files if that's what you need. But essentially, this is how it looks like. Of course, now other people or the other device that you are trying to send your files to, that device should be visible in QuickShare, meaning that their visibility of QuickShare should be set to the proper setting that allows your phone to detect it. Most likely it's going to be everyone, and I'm going to show you in a second how to do so. Also, we can use a QR code instead, so if there's like trouble with detecting the other device, you can generate a QR code. And also there is, of course, a way to transfer files just like that. So then the QR code can be scanned and a link is going to be opened in the browser with the download button with all your files that you have that you wanted to transfer. So that is a pretty decent thing, because even if, for example, someone doesn't really use QuickShare, like for example, if you have a friend with an iPhone, they can actually scan the QR code and download these files too. So even though they do not appear over here in nearby devices, they can still get your files. Now, in the case of visibility, of course, it can be adjusted by going to receive over here. Let's tap on got it. Now, if someone is in this menu over here, in receive, in QuickShare app, then their visibility is set to everyone temporarily. So they don't have to change anything at all in order to make sure that, you know, they are detectable, as long as they are in this menu. They can open this menu usually by using Control Center or Quick Settings. Usually in the Control Center we can find the Quick Share option, so we can tap on it in order to open this menu, as you can see over here. This also allows you to actually go to the Send tab as well and select your files from here. But I believe that it is definitely a more convenient way. I mean, if you select your files first and then use the send or share option, I think that's just a more convenient way. Still, of course, it's worth to know that this is also a possibility. So once they are here, they are visible to everyone. Once they leave, of course, this visibility is reverted to how it was before. But also in the case of Xiaomi, if we go to settings and proceed to more connectivity options, then over here we have this quick share option, where we can jump to these settings, and here we have who can share with you, and of course we can toggle the visibility completely. Of course, if you want to receive files, we need to make sure that our visibility is enabled, and also here we can adjust the visibility in general, so we can set it to everyone to make sure that everyone can see it. We can also set it to everyone for 10 minutes, so after 10 minutes it's going to be back into how it was before. Usually it is contacts, and that is essentially everything that you need to know about QuickShare. This menu can also be opened once you have the QuickShare panel opened. I believe, at least, that it is possible. So if we go back to the QuickShare over here, we should be able to tap over here where we have our phone. Yeah, and there we go, we have the same settings. So as you can see, this is how it looks like on the Xiaomi 17. Leave a like and subscribe.